Hi everyone, I'm Rahul Parwal. I'm a senior software engineer working with IFM Engineering in India. Thanks to Gandharv Madan for giving me this opportunity to talk and share my testing tip with you all. Before I do that, I just want to wish you all a very happy new year. May this new year be very prosperous and filled with growth for you all. So my tip for you all is practice software testing. Software testing is not a theoretical concept. It, like any other craft, needs its own time to practice and hone at your skills. Now, how to practice? There are different ways. One, participate in testing contests. There are a lot of testing contests that happen around the core testing skills, finding bugs, automation, and even sometimes around open source. Join them. Practice your testing by taking any application. You can take any application on, for example, Product Hunt. Try practicing it, try finding the bugs, try sharing it with the product team, or maybe take an open source tool, maybe take an open source testing tool. And a lot of people appreciate such good work, and while doing that, you'll also learn how to convey, how to talk better with your stakeholders, and how you can practice software testing and get good at this craft. You will get a lot of tips, lot of resources, new tools. All of this is good, but until and unless you don't work on it, nothing is going to work. So just practice it. If you are a fun-loving person, you can also try out the Testers Playground, which is a playground of testing games where you can invite people and play and get more refined into testing. So that's the essence. Practice it, create groups where maybe you can pair test and you can do exploratory testing sessions, automation and whatnot. So if you practice, you will improve, and all the best. Thank you. Have a wonderful year.